Hi and welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a shark. I'm going to turn it into a keyring. It's going to have lots of teeth and it's going to look really cool. I'm also going to cover it in mica powder and glitter like I always do. So here we go. Okay, so this is what we're starting with. So I've got this out, but I put it back in its packet so I could actually identify what colour it is. So this is Winsor Blue and it's number 35. This is a soft. And I've checked the corners and I think this is going to be actually quite easy to condition even though it is old. Just a little tip, if you aren't sure if something is conditionable and you've still got it in the packet and obviously don't want to get it out to test it, press the corners and if they dent in and soften really quickly, you know that that's going to be absolutely fine. Then I've got a bit of white here. I don't need much for the shark, so I've just got that for the little belly and the teeth. This is for the mouth and I've got a little piece out, but again I wanted to identify for you what the colour was, and this is I'm lying, this is 205 and this is light pink and this is an effect, and again this is actually quite soft as well, so that's going to be nice and easy to work with. Moving on to the mica powders, I've got an unbranded blue here, which is slightly lighter than this. Well, it is a lot lighter actually, but I want to highlight with this, so that's what I'm going to do with that. And then I've got some white, and this is actually by the Colour Shack, pearl white, and obviously that is going to go on the white there just to highlight it. And lastly, I've got this glitter here. It's not the chunkiest glitter, but it is not fine, so it's actually quite nice to highlight with. So for example, I might do the fins and then perhaps somewhere down the body just to give it a bit of sparkle. So that is that one. And then I've got my usual tools, dotting tool, red plastic tool. And I've got something different today. I found this in my toolbox. This is quite a decent tool in terms of making blunt marks, so I'm going to give that a go as well. Sometimes this isn't as deep as I want it to be, and I've used this on a different project the other day and it worked really well, so I'm going to try that again. Then I've got my craft knife, tissue blade, and then I'm going to turn the little shark into a keyring. So that's this part here, and you can just buy these as they are basically. They're not very expensive. And then I've got an eyelet, and that is basically just so that I can actually connect the shark to the keyring. So I'm going to make a start. So here we go. Thanks for watching the tutorial. So I'll show you what the shark looks like now. So I like to do this part because it's kind of like a show and tell. It gives me a chance to kind of talk about what I liked, what I didn't like. A lot of the things I make are based on what I've seen on the internet and things like that. So quite often I've not made it before. So it challenges me and then gives me an opportunity to show you what I did and what I didn't like about it. So with the shark, obviously his teeth and everything, that turned out really well, so I'm quite happy about that. His belly I'm not too sure about. I think I did that a little thick and perhaps a little too high up, but you know, it's art and I'm just going to go with it. So, and he's covered in mica powder and glitter like I always do because I love that bit. And I just popped a little keyring on him, so he's just got a little keyring there ready to go. So this is how you make a shark from polymer clay. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again soon. So here he is. Now I'm going to hold it about here because if I put it too close to the camera it will actually kind of like fuzz out. So, but yeah, there's all his teeth, and obviously you saw inside I put the little pink in his mouth. That's really good. So yeah, all his teeth are there, as you'd expect from a shark. So I put some glitter on and mica powder, just give him a bit of decoration, bit of depth, and I think he looks quite cool other than his belly. But I don't know, let me know what you think in the comments because he's good, but you know, perhaps not with the belly. Perhaps this is going to be an outtake, isn't it? Thanks for watching the tutorial. There's it. I need a drink.